Hi, third graders. During today's reading mini lesson, we discussed that sometimes writers compare one thing to another thing. Like in the legend of the lady slipper, the author mentioned things about being strong as a bear or fast as a rabbit or smart as a fox. And the author did this to describe the character or to tell how the older brother is stronger, faster, and smarter than the others, or how the sister is very smart. In the Sunsets of Miss Olivia Wiggins, it talked about how the sky is full of pink ribbons. So we're comparing the sky to pink ribbons. And the author does that to make the writing more interesting or so that you can imagine the pink streaks of color in the sunset. So during your independent reading time, I want you to think about the words that the author uses. Is the author comparing anything in the story that you're reading? If so, mark those pages with a sticky note or write down some notes so that you can remember and be ready to talk about it when you come back together as a class.